Manufactured in China. Easy to use. Highly durable. 16-inch length. 3/8 inch compression by 7/8 inch ballcock. Stainless steel braiding for extra protection. 5-year warranty. Fluidmaster B1T16 toilet connector. Braided stainless steel 3/8 female compression thread by 7/8 female ballcock thread, 16-inch length. Fluidmaster toilet connector. Braided stainless. Won't kink or crease, even in the tightest of spaces. This 3/8 inch female compression by 7/8 inch ballcock connector connects your toilet tank to the wall water supply. Installation is simple with high flexibility and heavy-duty brass hex nuts that are easy to grip and nickel-plated for durability. Durable braided stainless steel. 5-year warranty. Exceptional flexibility for fast, easy installation. 16-inch length. Meets all code requirements for flexible water connectors. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy and good fit. Good quality, easy to install. Sturdy connectors. Good size for the place of application.